Hello from Hannover, Germany. The theme for our presence here is intelligent manufacturing. How we reimagine our culture and everything that we do as manufacturers. We're talking about delivering new services. This is when you go from product models to service models, optimizing digital operations. As we talk about factory of the future, operations of the future, intelligent supply chain, we reimagine manufacturing, which is where we talk about sustainability, using less water, using less energy, becoming more sensitive in terms of sourcing. Empowering your workforce is the number one job of every leader. We have a major skills gap, and we need more technology capability for our people in the plant floor to do their jobs more effectively.
So today we're showcasing Dynamics 365 guides. It's designed to provide step-by-step procedural instructions using the HoloLens, where we can overlay content on physical space to help workers understand complex procedures. It allows you to actually learn while you're doing the job.
Empowering the workforce for us means to first find the information you need on the fly to do your job. I think one of our solutions is Industry 2. It's kind of a video platform, so a worker can go on site, check if there's video available, and it helps him to actually do the job quicker, safer, and easier.
So PTC has a suite of tools under our Vuforia brand that are focused on mixed reality, which allows us to empower our workforce by leveraging digital content and presenting information to people in the context of the world where they're doing their work. So a great example of a joint PTC-Microsoft customer is Howden.
Yeah, Microsoft and PTC help us to build the experience we use to teach our engineers. But our service engineers, for example, are all over the world, and it's a bit difficult to fly them in and train them on the job. So we use the mixed reality experience based on models like we have here to help them to understand the machines and to work on them.
So my call to action is understand the art of possible and start leading and start changing who you are and how you do as a manufacturer.